Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use AI on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. You can use AI in many various ways. I'm gonna show you two ways today. The first one is gonna be ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an advanced large language model which allows you to generate various types of texts like assignments, school assignments or dissertations, speeches, emails, stories, poems, or anything you want. It can also help you with something, give you recipes or tutorials on how to use devices. And to use ChatGPT, go to Play Store, search for ChatGPT. You need to install this exact app because there's many apps that look similar, but this is the only app that's the official ChatGPT app. Now you can open it, continue. You may sign up if you want, or if you don't want to, you can use it without it. And here are some suggestions that you can use. It can teach you something, for example, or anything. I'm gonna ask it. You can ask it anything and send it, and you can see it immediately gives you the answer, as you can see, and it remembers the conversation. So now when I ask it for anything, it will remember that we are talking about a story about a chocolate. And if you want to create a new conversation on a different topic, click here, new chat, and now you can ask it for anything else. For example, help me write an email to my boss about my future absence. And it gives you this example email, and you can edit it and send it to your boss, for example. This is the ChatGPT. It can also give you images. If you are signed into it, you can generate different images. Let me show you that. Let's sign up, continue with Google. You can also sign up with email, not with Google. And now you can ask it, for example, generate an image of a car salon. You can add more details. All the cars are red. And you can see it has generated an image using AI. And the second way of using AI I wanted to show you is Google Lens. You can find it either in the Google app or in the Google widget. When there is a search bar, you can see this lens icon. When you open it, you can take a picture of anything and it will search for it in Google. So for example, let's take a picture of this plant, and it finds it. As you can see, I can view info about it, buy it, or see more. And that's how you use Google Lens. You can also use it to translate languages that you don't know, or for example, solve your homework. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.